Gardener back, and I'm still picking figs. This is my Celeste, and this is what I got from the brown turkey. Do something a little interesting. We're gonna have an impromptu taste test. Let you know which one I like. If I like one, the other, or none. Okay, this one. This is as fresh as you can get, right off the tree. That wasn't too bad. I'm surprised. Okay, that was a Celeste. This is the brown turkey. Ooh, just plucked it off the tree. Okay, the winner is the brown turkey. It's a little bit sweeter. They're both actually good. This is slightly sweeter. So there you have it. Get your Celeste fig tree. No, I'm sorry. Get your brown turkey fig tree. I think in a few years, they're gonna be bigger than this. Like I said, this is the 3rd year of producing fruit. 1 year it didn't produce at all. So go with the brown turkey. Your Weekend Gardener. Talk to you later.